Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make greens powder at home. First, select a variety of fresh, organic leafy greens like spinach, kale, or collards. Ensure they are free from blemishes and pesticides. Thoroughly wash your chosen greens under cool running water to remove any dirt or debris. After washing, it's crucial to dry them completely to prevent mold during the dehydration process. You can use a salad spinner or pat them gently with a clean towel. Once your greens are clean and dry, it's time to dehydrate them. A food dehydrator set to 115 degrees F works wonderfully, taking several hours until they are brittle. Alternatively, you can air dry them on racks in a well-ventilated room, which might take a few days. For a quicker option, spread them on a baking sheet and bake in your oven at its lowest temperature, keeping the door slightly ajar to allow moisture to escape. The key to a good greens powder is ensuring your dried greens are completely brittle, almost like potato chips. If there's any flexibility, they need more drying time. Once perfectly dry, transfer them to a high-speed blender or a dedicated coffee grinder. Process them in small batches to achieve a very fine, consistent powder. This step might take a few pulses and shakes to get the desired texture. Proper storage is essential to maintain the potency and freshness of your homemade greens powder. Transfer the finished powder to an airtight container, such as a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Store it in a cool, dark, and dry place, away from direct sunlight and humidity. For optimal nutritional value, aim to use your greens powder within 3 to 6 months. Enjoy adding this nutrient boost to your smoothies or meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.